about 30 minutes out of Waco, Texas, where Chip and Joanna actually had their DIY show. But what I'm excited about, the silos at the market. It's called Magnolia Market at the silos. We're going to take you there. We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. So, you all don't see a lot of the things that happen to us. We have gotten lost. Texas has these things called turnarounds. We've been around turnarounds so many times because we have missed our spots. There's 50 other things that's happened during this trip, but we just want you all to know this has been a crazy trip with little incidents, nothing bad.
One hotel we were at, I had to go back and get a new key because I left the one in the room. Come to find out, we got a new key, went back to the room, and our key was laying on the floor right by the door. And now just to see what she's doing rifling around in the suitcase, you gonna show them?
Of course. I spilled my coffee all over me. And you know the thing of it is, I actually think I tried to drink it out of the wrong side of the cup.
We just want to let you have some insight on some of the fun stuff we do when the camera's not on. Where are you coming?
I don't know. I've got to see it.
Tell them what you told me.
I'm going to buy something.
I want to buy something. There you go. Very interesting in the Silo District. Some great buildings. Look at this across the street. Wow. You know, the one is an old gas station. Simply irresistible.
It's got a body shop still connected to it.
Yeah. Got a coffee shop too. I think they've about covered it all. And the Magnolia Press. The magic show though is the silos. Wow. Just massive. I've never been this close to a silo. Got a little greens area for the kids. We think we found the market. Sign the guest book. I love it. Right when you walk in, they hand you a nice bag. You know, make sure that if you want anything, you got something to carry there. We got a bigger section outside, which is very loud. It looks very active. I'm loving this place. See what we can find in here. Of course, I got the Silos merch, Magnolia. Huge fans are part of the air conditioning system out here. It's like a warehouse. Okay, quick trip inside. Lots of stuff like this. I'm not quite sure what it's for, but looks awesome. And, you know, like this. It's a green space.
This set abandoned for 24 years before they came along and bought it.
Really?
Yeah. It survived everything. It went through Great Depression, tornadoes, and everything with it. You know, it just really struggled. It was a gin mill, I think.
Gin mill? Yeah.
Yeah, Valley Cotton Gin. When the 1990s came, nothing ever shut down, and then it sat until Joanna and Chip bought it. They wanted to restore it for the community, and they did a great job.
I really want to know what that is. It looks like some kind of loader or something. And we got little grassy areas too. Family's gonna love this. I'm not gonna go hungry. We got Frenchies over there. We found out from a very nice security guy that this all used to be gravel out here. There was nothing after that big disaster with the tornado in the 50s. Look at this. Talking about coming back, they made a ball field. I don't know if the donuts are part of it, but in my world, that's fine. Look at this church. Is that cool or what?
What a place. I've seen it on TV. Never knew they have what they have here. We're going to head down a little bit farther. There's food trucks all over this area here. In fact, we had a hot dog and for lunch. So we're going to head on down, look at the church a little bit down here and see what else is here before we leave.
I've got to wonder if this isn't a church that they brought in and redid, because it looks very authentic. The wood looks very genuine, very original. All this gingerbreading, no, decoration at the porch. Beautiful. When you're around the corner, they've got another little area that they've got some shops set up. Got to check out the church. Oh, wow.
This church actually has a great story. In 1894, it was built, it said, here in a community around here. It's been moved over here piece by piece to set it up here. They wanted to preserve it. But before then, this church was active. It was perfect in every way. Congregation came in and out. It was faith, deep in its faith. When Chip and Joanna saw this and heard about this church, they thought, we have to save this. So in 2020 they did, and they moved it over here.
Get the weekend, totes, jewelry, and more. And souvenirs. Maybe you can get your t-shirt.
The only other thing that we're missing here in Waco, there's a lot of things actually in Waco. It's really grown up, the town. Dr. Pepper was made here, still is, but we just can't get over there in time. It would just take up our whole day to get there. We just want you to know, this was the home of Dr. Pepper, still is actually.
I'm a pepper, you're a pepper, wouldn't you like to be a pepper too? Okay, who remembers that? Put it down in the comments. Okay, no criticism of the singing. Check out this coffee sign. Neon. That is classic. Do you think it's lit up at night? I like to think so.
If you want to see how our Texas road trip wraps up, check the next video.
We're going to take you to a town that's not only eclectic, but wound up having the first college for cowboys.
Tennessee, 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 Tennessee.
Thanks for watching, and remember,
Adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.